If you follow DJI long enough, you know their releases are never just about putting out another tiny camera. They are about changing how we capture our best moments on the go. Right now, DJI is playing a very interesting game. We are seeing a calm before a massive shift in their ecosystem. On one hand, a highly anticipated product is playing hide and seek. On the other hand, a brand new aggressive device is gearing up for a very loud and confirmed launch. Together, these two devices paint a very clear picture of DJI's master strategy for 2026. Let us dive into what is really happening behind the scenes. Let us address the elephant in the room first. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has been delayed. Just a few days ago, all signs pointed toward a late March reveal for the standard Pocket 4. The timeline made perfect sense. Retail channels looked completely ready. Early test units were reportedly already in the hands of reviewers. Even the supporting marketing materials had quietly surfaced online. It felt like a launch that was set in stone. And then, we got sudden silence. This kind of radio silence is rarely an accident. In the tech world, it usually signals a last-minute strategic adjustment. Maybe DJI decided the timing was just not right. Maybe they want to space out their launches to avoid their own products competing with each other. Or maybe they realized the Pocket 4 needed just a tiny bit more polish before stepping into the spotlight. Interestingly, early impressions tell us a lot about the Pocket 4. The device is not trying to radically outshine the older models with crazy new gimmicks. Instead, it focuses heavily on refinement. Battery performance has taken a massive leap forward. Everyday creators will appreciate this much more than flashy but useless upgrades. Reports show that retailers, especially in Asia, are already stocked up. You do not see that unless a launch is right around the corner. Add in the leaked accessories and manuals, and the truth becomes clear. The Pocket 4 is not delayed because it is unfinished. It is delayed because DJI is changing its announcement strategy. They want to maximize attention across multiple product lines. While the Pocket 4 stays quiet, the DJI Avatar 360 is doing the exact opposite. It is stepping into the light with pure confidence. The Avatar 360 has a rock-solid launch window of March 26, 2026. This proves DJI is not slowing down at all. They are just prioritizing their releases. The Avatar 360 is incredibly exciting because it is so ambitious. This is not just another basic FPV drone. It is a hybrid concept. It blends immersive 360-degree capture with traditional forward-facing flight. It is built to be both cinematic and experiential. Creators have been begging for this dual-purpose approach. Instead of picking between VR-style content and classic drone shots, you get both in one drone. With dual sensors, high-resolution video, and advanced stabilization, it will deliver professional results at a good price. This drone alone will change how we film action sports and travel vlogs. This brings us back to the Pocket 4. While the Avatar 360 pushes the limits, the Pocket 4 perfects a proven formula. One is about expanding boundaries. The other is about total perfection. So, when will we actually see the Pocket 4? Right now, the most realistic window points to April 2026. This timing makes perfect sense. Launching it too close to the Avatar 360 would ruin the hype for both. Pushing it to April gives the Pocket 4 its own dedicated spotlight. We expect a compact camera focused on pure efficiency and usability. Expect high-quality video, vastly improved tracking, and amazing battery life. There might even be a Pro variant with advanced lenses and higher-end video tools. But even the standard model will be a powerhouse for solo creators. Features like gesture controls and AI tracking will make shooting so much faster. It will be the ultimate grab-and-go camera for any situation. Here is my honest opinion on this entire situation and the Pocket 4 itself. I truly believe the Pocket 4 is going to be the smartest purchase for most creators this year. We often get distracted by groundbreaking specs and flashy marketing. But real value comes from reliability. The Pocket 4 is not trying to shock the industry. It is trying to be the most dependable tool in your bag. It is a camera that works so well, you stop thinking about the gear and just focus on your story. In today's fast pop ed world, speed and convenience matter more than anything else. You want to pull the camera out, hit record, and know the shot is perfect. If DJI's delay means we get a flawless, perfectly polished product, then it is absolutely worth the wait. It is a strategic move that benefits everyone in the long run. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay updated on all things tech, please support the channel. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon.